I'm a person who is in a habit of studying and doing my research. So when I speak with the information that is available with me. In those years, when the Bordoloi Committee, the Chandachud Committee were instituted, there were certain reports already indicated in those respective committees, by those respective committees. It's a good thing that the chief ministers of the 21st century take a new look or a new approach on solving the interstate border issues. So I think that both Honorable Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and Honorable Chief Minister of Assam have done a good job by realizing that the institution of Government of India sponsored commissions may not be the correct approach to sort this problem out. It's a good thing that the Government of India today has listened to the recommendation of the chief ministers of the two states and have decided that the best way out would be to inter alia work jointly between the states of Assam and Meghalaya and to immediately go to ground zero to verify facts, verify locations, verify the ethnicity of people residing in those regions. They even went to the furthest extent of studying the epics of citizens. So this is all ground zero information and data collection. Because our members were members of these regional committees, we know that the committees have done a justified job. They have been very thorough. So if you ask me, why is it that the border dispute dialogue could not result positively in the previous years? I would say this, that today the approach to governance has changed 360 degrees. Today, we have leaders who are far more qualified, far more educated, and who are already in position not to obey a notification of a commission which is likely away from the people of the state. You will notice that today the regional committee is constituted by MDCs, MLAs. Now that in itself indicates that these are the correct people to evaluate. It is not the Survey of India as was done in the past, and it is not a distant officer sitting in an office in Delhi that will decide our boundaries. So this approach, I must say, has been a good approach. We have to give it to the state government for coming up with this ingenuine idea. But we must also remember that in the former years, all information collected by those commissions have also been part of the study of the regional committees of this generation. So I believe that that would have been the best thing to do. And that was the best thing that could have been done. Now, question only remains, will these two chief ministers obey what recommendations were given by the regional committees? Because it has been kept silent, secret, we don't know. We know that we are also privy to the information of the regional committees. Even those documents, even if those documents are not made public, our members will be in authority to take out to the public any other misread calculation of these committees. But we must have faith in the system that has been put in place, and I'm sure that if they go by the recommendations of the regional committees, the state of Meghalaya stands to gain in the long run.